Nowadays, social media is filled with Pegasus spyware controversy. But the question is, what is it and why? So let's discuss the story so far. Hello everyone, I am host Aradhna Maurya and you are watching The Social Talks. On Sunday, June 18 evening, The Wire reported that the phone numbers of 40 Indian journalists were on a hacking list of unidentified agency using Israeli spyware Pegasus. The report said forensic tests have confirmed the presence of Pegasus spyware on some devices. Those on the list of potential targets include journalists at Hindustan Times, The Hindu, The Wire, The Indian Express, News 18 India, Today, etc. The report added, the Wire analysis of the data showed that most of the journalists were targeted between 2018 and 2019 in the run-up to the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. The report further, Pegasus has claimed that it only offers its spyware to vetted governments. Within a few minutes after The Wire published its report, the center responded and the allegations have no concrete basis. India is a robust democracy that is committed to ensuring the right to privacy to all its citizens as fundamental right. The government said there has been no unauthorized inscription by government agencies. The allegations regarding government surveillance on specific people has no concrete basis of truth associated with it whatsoever. The government further said the news report appears to be fishing expedition based on conjectures and exaggerations to malign in Indian democracy and its institutions. But at that moment, no one knows what's the reality. And between this confusion, one more report revealed that the government official, opposition politician, activist part of snooping list in India. Not just journalists, it was later revealed that the mobile phone of more than 300 Indians, including 2 union ministers, 3 opposition leaders, of scores of business persons and activists in India have been targeted for hacking through the Israeli spyware Pegasus. Besides 3 phone numbers belonging to the Supreme Court staff, which occurred, former Chief Justice of India CJI Ranjan Gogoi of sexual harassment in April 2019 also found place in the list of potential snoop targets. Then, the Israeli firm NSO Group cleared that the report of hacking are false and misleading. Amid the reports of possible hacking of phones over 300 Indians through Pegasus spyware, the Israel-based NSO Group on Monday said the allegations on it are false and misleading. And then IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw also denied the report of snooping on Indians aimed at maligning Indian democracy. IT and Communication Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw on Monday dismissed media reports on the use of Pegasus software to snoop on Indians, saying the allegations revealed just ahead of monsoon session of Parliament are aimed at maligning Indian democracy. In the statement in Lok Sabha, Vaishnaw said that with several checks and balances being in place, any sort of illegal surveillance by unauthorized person is not possible in India. The press report of July 18, 2021 also appeared to be an attempt to malign the Indian democracy and a well-established institution. And between this controversy, Amazon shuts down Pegasus owner NSO Group's infrastructure. After the massive Pegasus spyware controversy, Amazon Web Services (AWS), which is the cloud arm of Amazon, shut down the infrastructure and accounts linked to the Israeli surveillance company NSO Group. In a statement, an AWS spokesperson said that when we learned of this activity, we acted quickly to shut down the relevant and infrastructures and accounts. So after the whole controversy, NSO Group again stated that enough is enough. In its latest statement titled Enough is Enough, NSO Group on Wednesday said it will no longer respond to media inquiries on the ongoing row. The company added it will not play any along with the Vickius and Chandra's campaign. We will state again, the list is not a list of potential targets of Pegasus. The numbers in the list are not related to the NSO Group. Any claim that a name is the list is necessarily related to a Pegasus target or Pegasus potential target is enormous and false. Thank you so much for watching.